During these crazy times of COVID-19, social distancing and lockdowns, it's been really invigorating for me to rediscover my love of birding and just get out here and enjoy the forest and enjoy the bird sounds around us. But if I look back over my birding years, there are a few birds that really stand out. Take the songbirds for an example, a group of thousands of species of birds, and yet amongst them, there is less than a handful of these birds that have learnt to hunt in a place that they really should not exist. Behind me is the habitat of the American dipper, one of the only songbirds in the world that actually forage for their food underwater. And they've got some very unique adaptations to do this. They have a nictitating membrane over their eyes, which allows them to see perfectly underwater. They also have these unique scales that cover their nostrils when they dive for food. And lastly, their oil glands produce more oil than other birds, allowing them to stay warm in these frigid waters. What a spectacular bird of these mountain streams, the American dipper.